It's the news the people of China's Hubei province have been waiting for.
In
the 24 hours to midnight on March 18th, Hubei province saw 0 new confirmed cases and 0 new suspected cases, and the current number of suspected cases is 02.
That means, for the first time since January, Wuhan has no new cases. The city is the global epicentre of the coronavirus outbreak and has been in lockdown for 2 months. Now, some of the medical teams flown in to cope with the crisis have started leaving, cheered on by a city grateful for their service. If Wuhan records 14 consecutive days like this, officials say the crippling lockdowns will start to be lifted.
We are very delighted to see this 00 increase. This means today we have seen the dawn after so many days of hard work. It also means our control measures and medical treatment methods have been working very well.
For a time, South Korea thought it was heading in the same direction. For 4 days in a row, it reported fewer than 100 new cases. But on Wednesday, officials confirmed a dreaded rebound.
152 new cases were confirmed. 407 people were released from quarantine and 7 people died.
Perhaps even more concerning, the latest outbreak is in an aged care facility.
Through consultation with local governments, the Central Disaster Management Headquarters plans to conduct diagnostic tests on nursing homes and facilities in Daegu and review the need for stronger countermeasures to prevent infection in high-risk groups.
Australia and New Zealand have upped their preventative measures. Both countries have announced they're closing their borders to non-residents and citizens. The bans come into effect in New Zealand on Thursday and in Australia on Friday.
The overwhelming proportion of cases in Australia have been imported. And the measures we've put in place has obviously had an impact on that. And this is a further measure now that will ensure that that can be further enhanced.
The border closures will inevitably put additional pressure on airlines. Virgin Australia and Qantas, the national carrier, have cut all international flights, and Qantas is standing down 20,000 staff members, 2/3 of its workforce, without pay. Much like the outbreak itself, there's no saying how long it will last. Melinda Nusafora, TRT World.